yesterday.
So you'll be doing Android and
Android, yes.
Linux as well?
Now we do have a few things that run on the iPhone. Let me show you something I think you'll think's cool. Besides eyes.nasa.gov, which gets you exoplanets, Earth, and solar system, if you go to a browser, I'm going to go to Chrome, and I'm going to type into Chrome eyes.nasa.gov/Deep Space Network, DSN. This is a web page. This web page, you can pull this up and do this on your iPhone right now. It's a responsive page, so it'll change shape and size. Android, iPhone, and anything with a browser. So I'm going to enter, and what you're going to see is this is a recreation of what's happening at every one of our dishes right now. This is updated every 5 seconds. So right now I can tell you that Madrid is talking to Voyager 1. And if you were there, it's nighttime, and that's the direction the dish is pointed. It's pointed, so this is east, so that dish is pointed due west from Madrid at Voyager 1. Voyager 1's range, it's 19.4 billion kilometers. It takes 1.5 days for light to go out and back. Okay? The azimuth is pointing at 259 degrees. This is just a lot of data from the Deep Space Network. And the wind speed there in Madrid right now is 9.88 kilometers per hour. You can then, if you want to say, okay, now let's go to Goldstone. It's talking to Messenger. Messenger is around Mercury. We'll go look at it in a second. This is the dish that's talking to that as we talk. It gives you the range. This will work on your iPhone. Some of the missions actually use this to keep track of when their spacecraft are talking to the ground. Now they can do it at the Deep Space Network, but they take the data and they provide us a feed for the non-sensitive information. Because based on the real feed, you can calculate precisely where the spacecraft is, and if you wanted to do something and had the means, which I can't imagine anyone having the means to reach Voyager, 12 billion miles from here, but we're very cautious about things like that. So this is called eyes.nasa.gov/Deep Space Network, or DSN. And I'm going to go back to just regular eyes. And again, when you download it at eyes.nasa.gov, you get this icon on your desktop, and we're basically loading 3 video games. One for the Earth, one for the solar system, and one for planets around other stars that we found. I'm going to go back here.
Yeah, we're all right out here.
Okay, so as I start this game, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause to make sure that your questions have been answered, and I